Very good morning traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Today is another wonderful day. We have got a very good profit from Bank Nifty as well as in the Nifty. We had posted the screenshot of our trading also. So now what I have done today to take the entry, we had two types of entry today. One is at the sell side. So here we got the entry once we got the R3C format in the sell side. So we kept in the 360 format for the first entry. So perfectly we got the entry here from sell to buy side. Then we kept in the default mode for the another entry. So here since the trend was in a sell side and we have got a very Bahubali candles continuously, what we have done, simply we went here and we enabled the second buy zone. Where it is second buy zone? Here it is second buy zone. We just enabled this because when the market is coming down with the full force of sellers, we should not go for the buy entry immediately. So that is why we have given the second buy zone. Once second buy zone is activated along with the bullish R3C pattern. Okay, along with the bullish R3C pattern. So there is a confirmation of reversal. So here we got bullish reversal confirmation. Once it is retracing at the 50% of the market, then we will be entering. So that is what I said. This closing price, the 10:21 3 minutes closing price was 45,848. So I have posted in the group. My re-entry will be at 45,848 here, somewhere here. So we got the entry here at 10:39. We got our targets hit. Once again it has come down at 12:36. Again we have got the target hit. So this is how we have to trade. It is very simple, very easiest method to make profit. Hope this is very clear. Whoever is having doubts, please ask us to clear your doubts in the WhatsApp. Whoever is watching the videos for the first time, you can please subscribe and then watch. Also please share to all your beloved ones who wants to make profit from this market. Thank you. Bye bye. I wish you all a successful trading ahead.